Hi, and welcome to this week's 2-minute art hack. What have we got for you today? Well, it's all about the importance of stepping back. When we're drawing or painting, we're very regularly about this far away from our design, and you don't get a true picture of what's going on until you step back. So looking right at the detail of this, you may get lost in these little details and you don't see the bigger picture. You literally can't see the wood from the trees. See what I did there? So always remember to take a step back. And that's why certainly I like to do very short tutorials. So you do a little bite size and then you step back and look at what you've done. It's only when you step back that you can really see the whole picture and it changes your perspective. You can see places that you might want to noodle some bits, or that you think, oh, I thought that was awful, but actually that looks okay. It's also important not to stay still for so long. So getting up, making a brew, coming back will give you a fresh viewpoint on your art. And I can't stress how important stopping and looking from a distance is. We're all about the art, but unless we can see what we're doing, it's difficult to learn. So again, something we talk about in the Smart Art Academy all the time. Like, subscribe, do all the things. It would be great to see you there because, I don't know, I think you're going to like it. See you soon. Bye.